My name is Mohit Apkari. I joined Rangadhara in the year 1992-93. This was just after finishing my intermediate. There was a summer holidays, so we all went to Maharashtra Mandal. There was a kind of a shibir which was organized by Rangadhara. So I have participated in that shibir for about 20-25 days. The shibir ran, and in that shibir we were taught so many things, like how to control your breath, how to modulate your voice, and there were a lot of exercises which were taught to us. And based on all the learnings in that particular shibir, the outcome of that shibir was a drama which we have enacted, and the name of the drama was Bus Stop. Though I had only 2 dialogues in that bus stop, but it was all about the timing and your participation. And every drama or every play what we have done, as far as I remember, from Rangadhara, it always gives you some kind of a message end of the day. It will be, for example, in Bus Stop, it talks about the life of Mumbai bus stop, how it will be. People keep waiting for the bus and the life goes on. It was very beautifully, organized and very beautifully directed by Mr. Bhaskar Shewalkar, and it has given us immense confidence after doing this particular play. And there was never looking back. And after this, I have participated in number of plays like Khele To Kahan Khele. Now this play was again giving a message to the society that children wants to play, but there is no playground. Wherever they want to play, something or other comes up, and there will be an objection. So all these kind of things we have brought it in front of the society, and end of the day we were asking a question. If you have an answer for that particular question. Max Muller Bhavan is again one place where we used to do our daily rehearsals, and they have also given lot of support. And plays like Navratra Samplyavar, Keva, in Marathi and as well as in Hindi. In Hindi also I have done lot of plays like Main Kaun Hu. Manje, in that particular play, the entire memory of a person goes and he tries to recollect who am I. So it was a wonderful play. I went to Solapur also to participate at a state level competition with a play called Savai Gopal Raoncha Mrityu. In this play, even Bhaskar Shewalkar, Bhaskar Kulkarni has participated, and it was a wonderful experience. When Rangadhara started, it was a very tough time, and it was like whether the theatre will survive or not was the question mark. And we have learned so many things from Rangadhara that in today's life also it helps us a lot. Like your self-confidence, when you are facing so many people, so many audience on stage, how to speak, how to talk without a mic, and how to perform in front of so many people without using a mic, with just your voice modulations and with the help of your breathing exercises what have been taught to us. So it was extremely important for us to learn all these things. And today also, if I look back in my professional life as well, this experiences helps me a lot, and I can never forget my association with Rangadhara, and I would love to do anything and everything for this theatre group. Especially my wholehearted respect to all the people who have made it successful, and today they are almost completing 50 years of existence, and I wish that Rangadhara goes beyond 100 years and keep going and keep showing direction to the people and helping lot of youth and upcoming people to show a way forward. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste.